Hello everyone! Start off by taking a yellow petal shape out of paper and then stick it in a flower shape. Add some glue in the center or some tape and then stick all of the edges towards the middle. Bend them over as such. Now take a strip of paper, make multiple slits on it. Do this with two shades. Add it all together and then add stems out of green paper. Next, take a white sheet of paper and then take a marker, it can be in green or black, and draw multiple lines as such that meet at one edge. Add some leaf-shaped papers onto the stems. Then crush multiple balls of paper and stick it together. Take some tissue paper, then take a marker, add multiple dots on it as such. Make it look like a bouquet and then add a bow. Take a yellow strip of paper, fold it up into half. Now fold it up vertically as well. Cut it into a petal shape and now open it. Draw a circle on a white sheet of paper and then stick multiple petal shaped papers around it. Do this in many layers and then add a brown center. Add the stem using some green paper. Take some oval shape or other petal shaped cutouts out of paper. Stick it in such a form. Add a center to it using multiple slits of paper, then add some grass using some green paper. Add some buds as well made out of different colors underneath it. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally and then vertically on either side. According to the patterns and the folds that you have created, open up the sheet and then refold it. After folding it into this triangular shape, cut out one of the sides in a slightly curved manner. Fold these two upwards and then fold the still pointed edge upwards. It should look like a butterfly. Draw on the antenna. Take some leaves and then stick it in a circular shape, add a yellow center. Add a stem to it as well using some real leaves. Take a white circular sheet of paper, then in the center attach a yellow portion. Bend them forwards as such. Put multiple of these on a sheet of white paper. Add some petals to them using some paper. Use different colored sheets for this. Following this, make strips out of green paper and then stick it as stems. Add some grass to the bottom and curve it using any sort of cylindrical object. Take a red rectangular sheet of paper, fold over the bottom edge upwards 2 times. Now fold it over vertically, draw a half heart shape and then cut it out. Do the same with a yellow sheet of paper in a smaller size. Stick one on top of the other and then add a stem as well as some leaves. Take multiple small heart shapes, arrange it in a circular way and then stick a yellow circular sheet of paper in the middle. Using a marker, draw on the stems as well as some leaves. Add a bow. Thank you for watching.